what's good, YouTube? We're out here on the Grom, man. Just goofing around, man. It's super windy day, and it's been raining on me for a while now. Right now it's not, but yeah, right now it's dry, but it was just raining on me. My visor's all wet, you know. But yeah, we're just out here at the lot having fun. We'll see what we're able to actually do, because the wind keeps being crazy to me, man. That time I scraped, but went really far to this side, so that wasn't very nice. Angled you down quite a bit. Hopefully you can see some knee knock work. Hopefully I can get some knee knock work. I guess my forearm tired. Maybe I'm a little too stiff when I'm up there because I'm not used to it as much. I'm trying to get better at the second gear wheelies, man. It's so funny how easy the Grom feels after wheeling the big bike so much. Picked me up and threw me towards the curb. But yeah, it's literally like a toy compared to the big bike. Oh my gosh. It looks like it's about to rain. Sometimes the rainy lot sessions are the best lot sessions. I started to get swervy on purpose. I don't know if it was a good idea or not, but it was fun. I'll tell you that much. Let's get some knee knockers. I was trying to turn the corner. I'm not quite there yet with the knee knockers. I can do it just normal sit down, but I'm literally just getting into being able to do knee knocks. It is real windy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the dust is literally just flying off of the road. There's like a whole dust storm over there. I hope you can see it. Look at it. It is slightly windy. It's definitely raining on me. Great riding weather, man. Waited 2 seconds, and now it is bright sunny outside. Which it's still super windy and cold, but Kept it up. I love being so comfortable on this, man. It's so fun. Rain, shine, overcast, snowy, whatever it is, man. Just get out there and have fun, man. A life worth living, man. Anyway, guys, this is probably gonna be the end of the video. Real sketchy, honestly, in the Ninox still, but that's why we're out here working on them, man. It's probably gonna be the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, man. Drop a comment, like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. God.